This image may have just changed what we know about the most mysterious object in our solar system. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has detected something never seen before on an interstellar visitor. Hidden inside this spectrum is methane, a gas scientists expected to see much earlier. Instead, it appeared only after 3I Atlas swung around the sun. Why was it buried? Where did it come from? And could it reveal the conditions of a completely alien star system billions of years ago? Tonight, we're diving into the discovery that has astronomers paying very close attention to 3I Atlas. Let's take a closer look at what James Webb actually found. This figure contains the evidence behind NASA's announcement. At the top are 3 separate maps showing gases surrounding 3I Atlas. On the left is water vapor. In the center is carbon dioxide. And on the right is methane, the molecule making headlines around the world. The bright spot at the center of each image is the comet itself. But notice something important. The water cloud appears much larger and more spread out than the other gases. That's because water isn't only coming directly from the nucleus. Tiny icy grains are being ejected from the comet and continue releasing water as they drift outward through space, creating a much broader cloud around the object. Now compare that to the carbon dioxide image. The carbon dioxide remains tightly concentrated around the nucleus. That tells astronomers the gas is being released much closer to the comet itself, rather than from material spread throughout the coma. But the most interesting panel is the one on the right. This is methane, the first methane ever detected on an interstellar visitor. Like carbon dioxide, the methane is concentrated close to the nucleus, and that's a major clue. If methane had been sitting near the surface, scientists would have expected to see it much earlier. Instead, it only appeared after 3I/Atlas had already swung around the sun. The leading explanation is that the methane was buried beneath the surface, protected by layers of material that insulated it from solar heating. Only after heat penetrated deeper into the comet did the methane begin escaping into space. Now let's look at the graph below. This is the comet's infrared spectrum, essentially its chemical fingerprint. Every molecule interacts with light differently. Just like fingerprints identify people, these spectral signatures identify specific chemicals. The orange line represents observations taken on December 15th and 16th. The blue line represents observations taken nearly 2 weeks later, on December 27th. Notice how the orange line is consistently higher. That means the comet was producing significantly more gas when it was closer to the sun. As it moved farther away, activity declined. That's exactly what astronomers would expect if solar heating is driving much of the comet's activity. The shaded regions highlight where specific molecules reveal themselves. This region corresponds to water vapor. This smaller region marks methane. And right here, in the enlarged section, we can see the strongest signatures from carbon dioxide. The fact that those carbon dioxide features remain so strong is one reason 3I Atlas has attracted so much scientific attention. Compared with many comets in our solar system, this object appears unusually rich in carbon dioxide. And now, thanks to Webb, we know it also contains significant methane. Together, those two discoveries may be telling us something remarkable. They suggest 3I Atlas formed in an extremely cold environment around another star, preserving volatile materials that many solar system comets either lost or never accumulated in such large amounts. In other words, this isn't just a detection of methane. It's potentially a chemical snapshot of a completely different planetary system. A frozen relic that has traveled through interstellar space for millions, perhaps billions of years, before finally revealing its secrets to us. What do you think? Is 3I Atlas simply an unusual comet? Or is it revealing something completely new about planetary systems beyond our own? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Space Unfiltered for more space discoveries and cosmic mysteries.